Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to permanently delete a message on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments, put likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Messages on our iPhone or iPad, and then find the message we want to delete. Let's say this one. Click Delete, and delete again. After that, these messages are not permanently deleted. They remain in the recently deleted ones. To do that, in the upper left corner, click Edit. Then click on Recently Deleted. Here we select the message we just deleted, and then click Delete, and then click Delete Message. After that, we were able to permanently delete messages on the iPhone. This is a simple method of how to do it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Write comments. Did you succeed in my way of doing it or not? I will read and reply to everyone. Thank you very much for watching. See you again. Goodbye.